Manually copying sales data from Shopify into Xero is a recipe for errors and wasted hours. But with a direct integration, you can automate this entire process, ensuring your financial records are always accurate and up-to-date. Start by logging into your Xero account and navigating to the App Store from the main menu. In the search bar, type Shopify to find the official integration app. Select the official Shopify for Xero app from the results and click the button to install it. You'll be prompted to grant the app permission to access your Xero data. Review the permissions and click Allow to continue. Now the app will ask for your Shopify store address. Enter your full Shopify.com URL here. Next, you'll be redirected to log into your Shopify store to authorize the connection to Xero. This is the most critical step. Configuring your sync settings. Decide if you want to sync orders as paid or unpaid invoices, and ensure taxes and shipping are mapped correctly. For true automation, enable the automatic daily sync feature. This ensures new sales data flows into Xero every night without any action from you. You must map your Shopify payment methods, like Shopify Payments or PayPal, to the corresponding bank accounts in Xero for accurate reconciliation. Once all settings are configured, click the button to complete the setup and trigger your first data sync. And that's it. Your Shopify sales, including fees and taxes, will now automatically appear as invoices in Xero, giving you real-time financial clarity. You've just eliminated manual bookkeeping, reduced errors, and freed up your time to focus on what you do best: growing your business.